Another round of breaking update coming in. This is a big Congress move right ahead of the Haryana elections. About a week to go before the elections happen, and the Congress meanwhile has decided to expel at least 13 netas from the party. All 13 contesting polls independently. They have been expelled for anti-party activities. We have Nyamika with us. Nyamika, this is coming across as a big move that has been done by the Congress about a week to go before elections are held in Haryana. Nyamika? Well, the party which has now expelled all of those 13 leaders for a span of 6 years is the list there on your screens. This is coming across as a big move just before the elections that happen, the voting process that happens in the state of Haryana. The Congress party has gone ahead to expel at least 13 leaders from the party for anti-party activities. And what is being said that all 13 of them were contesting elections independently and not under the name of the Congress party, which prompted the party immediately to expel them from the party for at least 6 years. Amandeep is with us. Amandeep, when it comes to ticket distribution, that has been the main contention here, at least for the Congress party, which has gone ahead to expel multiple leaders from the party.
Absolutely, Amita. The point is that all 13 leaders were seeking the tickets from their own respective constituencies. But when their name has not been considered by the Congress party, they decided to contest the elections independently. And in fact, now they have filed their nominations. They are campaigning independently, and they are campaigning against the Congress party as well. So somewhere down the line, the Congress is facing the political dent due to these independent candidates, including Dilbag Singh Sandalia from Uchana, Naresh Dhande from Gula constituency, and Pradeep Gill from Jeend, Sajjan Singh from Kundri. They all were earlier in the Congress
But the
party.
list that has been accessed by Times Now, as we are putting up those names of those 13 leaders from the Congress, which the party has expelled for 6 years for anti-party activities. Amandeep, thank you very much. We will be back after a short break.